Hello, I am David W. Parker. This is Programming Today I Learned, ImmutableJS series, episode 9. We're going to continue looking at the list and map APIs. And let's take a look. We have persistent changes here as well as transient changes. So if we take a look here, we just have like set, delete, insert, clear, push, pop, unshift, shift, update, merge, merge with, merge deep widths, and set size in the persistent changes. So let's go ahead and take a look at what some of these are. So if we have set here, and we have 1, 2, 3, and we're going to set the first index, meaning the second value, to 4, we'll have 1, 4, 3. If we're going to delete the first index to 2, we'll go from 1, 2, 3 to 3. If we're going to insert at the first index, we'll have from 1, 2, 3, it will become 1, 4, 2, 3. If we clear it, we'll get a new list. If we push, it'll go to the end, so we have push here with the values 4, 5. If we pop, it'll take from the end, and we get returned the new list as well. Unshift goes to the beginning, so if we unshift 4, 5, they'll go to the beginning, and shift will remove from the beginning, as is shown here. If we go ahead and update, we have a few different types of methods signatures here. So first then, if we take a function, we could just return it as itself, and you will see we have the exact same list as we have originally. In the next one, we're going to update the first index, and we're going to say this is what the new value is. And you can see what the new value is here. And the third one is we have the unset value. So we're going to update the third index, which does not exist. It's going to take the unset value of 5 and then perform this function on it. So you'll see that 3, 2, 1, 10 is there. With merge, we got a couple of ones as well. The first one, we're going to merge B with D2 along with the original array C here, and you can see we have A with map B, and then we have also map B of D2. This one is going to overwrite the values in these indices accordingly, so 3 will become 6, 1 will become 1 as well, so they just overwrite them in order, so 6, 1, 1. Merge with here, we have a couple of different maps, A, B, C, B, A, D, and you can see we're going to have X is going to merge with Y, and it's given this merger function. And what you could see here is that we're just going to divide previous by next. So in this example, 10 divided by 50, 20 divided by 40, and then we just have a 30, and we'll just have a 60. So it ignores those extra values if they don't exist. So there you could see 0.2, 0.5, 30, and D. Also here, if you're wondering. Merging deep kind of does the same thing, but overrides the values accordingly with the second one as well. So this will be 2 will override the 10 here, 5 will override the 50 here, and you could see 2's right here, 5's overwritten here, and we still have the map of CZ3 as demonstrated there. Merge deep with allows us to do an extra little merger function with the same kind of thing from here. So here I just changed a couple of the numbers to make them bigger. I changed the logic to say, give me the largest one of these two, and so you'll see we have the larger value 11 here and 52 here, and the rest of all stay the same. So size just takes a map and then it sets the size to it. So we're just going to truncate this one. And we have a few transient changes. A new mutable is created with these. Note for with mutations, you can only do these methods on them: set, push, pop, shift, unshift, and merge. And so we're going to have types of mutations that we can do on the list object. So we're going to give it a new list and then add 1 and 2 to it. So that's that. And then we can change a mutable object to mutable, and vice versa. If we had had a mutable object, we can make it immutable once again with those functions. So that's it for this episode. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe and sign up for our newsletter. Thank you.